All right, guys, we're here today with
Ricardo.
Ricardo, first try. Where are you from, Ricardo?
Hayward, California.
Hayward, California, first try. Okay, and we're gonna try and teach you how to ollie today.
Yes.
How long you been skating?
Like 3 weeks, I think.
3 weeks, perfect. I think before we even get into the ollie, why don't you step on your board, ride around, make sure your knees are bent, wear your helmet. Where's your helmet?
I don't got a helmet.
No, we don't got a helmet. Okay, go ahead. Dang, Ricardo, you're going fast. He's flying. Look at him. Okay, that's good. Bend your knees. Yeah, that's good. You got a good push. You gotta bend those knees though, son. I asked him, do you want to learn how to ollie? He said, I don't want to fall. I said, we all fall.
Yes.
It's okay. Good. You will fall way less with your knees bent a lot more. You can bend at the hips and the knees. Low profile. Give it a push. Good. Okay, roll back over here. Okay, now put your board down nice and flat. You're gonna put your feet in the ollie position like this, your front foot there, and your back foot like that. Front, back. Go a little bit more on the ball of your foot. That's the other thing that will help you actually is when you're riding around, start like using the ball of your feet instead of like the whole foot like that. Stand a little bit on the balls, just like for you when you're riding, right? Yeah. Now, the first step of an ollie is this. So we're gonna bend this front knee and step down with the back foot. Give that a go. Good, now do it again.
Like that?
Yeah, just like that. Now, this is all about the repetition. Okay. So you're gonna put your board right there and you're gonna do that 5 times.
5 times.
1, got him. 2, good. You wanna keep those knees bent, okay? The lower you are, the more balance you have. Let's get away from that sign because it's freaking me out. Go, 3, good. Okay, again, good. 1 more time. Boom, nailed it. Okay, you got that?
Yeah.
Okay, that is step number what?
1.
Step number 1, correct. Remember that, okay? It's important for the future. So now, you're gonna stand on your back foot like that. You're gonna put your front foot there. We're gonna drag the foot like that. Good.
Like that?
Just like that, yes. Good. Now, we're gonna do that 5 times, maybe more, and you're gonna pay close attention to how your knee feels. Your knee is gonna move forward. And this shoe, you're gonna start making some marks probably right around here. It's gonna drag up the board.
So like,
just like that. So do it again. 1, okay, again. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there's one thing you're doing with your back foot. You're already starting out a little bit incorrectly because when you pop on an ollie, you're not gonna pop like this. You're going to quite factually pop. See how the ball of my foot?
Yeah.
You're gonna pop like that. Like when you're playing basketball and you go to do a jump shot, do you jump off your whole foot or the toe?
Toe.
Exactly. Skateboard, same thing. Keep your back toe on there, ball of your foot, and then do the drag motion again. 1, okay.
Oh.
Yeah, balance. 2, good. 3, got him. 4, and 5. Okay, now, what step number is that?
2.
2. Are you good at math?
Kind.
Yeah, you are. So now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do it just like this. You ready? It's gonna be really slow at first, but we're gonna speed this up later. 1, 2. Try it. 1, 2. Good. So now we're gonna do that until you're comfortable going 1, 2.
Okay.
1, 2. Boom! What is this? First try?
Yes, sir.
Good. How does that feel? I'm just deadly curious.
Feels a little weird, but
Yeah, like off balance,
Yeah.
scary. Why?
I don't know. I just have a feeling.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Have you fallen on this before?
Not doing the ollie, but
Just riding?
just riding.
Okay, good, I got it. Okay, now you do 1 and then 2, faster. As fast as you can. 1, 2, good. See, this is what you need to practice every day. Like if you go out for 10 minutes a day and you get good at that, you'll get the ollies very rapid.
All right.
Okay, do it again, do it again. Good, now do something for me. Stand off your board. for a minute. Now do a jump.
A jump?
Good, now just with your back foot.
Like that?
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
So you're gonna go like this now.
Like that?
Yeah. So I want you to really get the timing. 1, 2.
1, 2?
Yeah. You get that?
Yeah.
And now when you're doing that, when you're on the board, I'm gonna show you why the knees and the bend at the hip is so important. Because when you're standing up like this, you're like very stiff and you're straight. The board is you're very wobbly, right? Mm-hmm. When you're like this, like, look at, I can go so far and still adjust and it's totally fine. And then if I were to fall,
yeah,
it's totally okay. But if I'm standing with my knees totally straight and I fall like that, oh boy, I'm out, right? Mm-hmm. Plus you don't even got a helmet on. Okay, do it again. Good. Look at this guy. That was good.
Thank you.
Okay, now, that's your best ollie yet. So what you need to do is you're doing it too fast. So you need to space it out a little bit more. 1, a little bit more space, and then 2. So you ready? You want to see what it looks like?
Yeah.
1, 2. You can do that. All we got to do is get those wheels off the ground a centimeter. Good. You're way too fast on number 2.
Number 2, okay.
You've got to wait. Let's just get away from that sign. It's freaking me out. It's freaking anybody else out? Leave it in the comments below if it was freaking you out. Good. We're going to go back a practice step. Hop it, then drag. Hop, drag. Good. Do it again 5 times. Pop, drag. Good. Good. I lost count. I think that's 3.
All right.
4. We'll count it. We'll count it. Not your best drag, but that's okay. 5. Good. Now, what you're drilling there, you may or may not realize it, it's the timing. So, okay, so watch. Your timing is just messed up between 1 and 2. So if you do it correctly, it's like this, 1 and then 2. If you do it incorrectly, it's like 2 and then 1. See? There's no way to do, you have to do it 1 and then 2. Okay, you got it. Yeah, you got it. Just get 2 going later. And then you're right there, right in the money. When you're doing it, which foot are you looking at?
My left foot.
Okay, look at your right foot this time. Concentrate on that back foot hitting the ground. Good. Didn't hit the ground yet though.
Yeah.
What foot are you jumping off of?
My right.
Yeah, now jump. Oh boy, look at you. Here's like the very first, like I'll do very little step 2 and I'll still do an ollie and it'll look like this. You can do it that way, just like literal, just jump. Okay, step 1 though, gotta make sure you hit the tail. Okay, good, I got an idea for you. I think this is gonna help you. We're gonna take your back foot, which is your right foot, and you're gonna practice this, like this.
Okay.
See how I'm hitting it with my toe?
Yeah.
When you jump, you're doing that with the toe, just straight up with the toe. Good, but not the whole foot. I want to see your ankle go like this. Toe down. Good. Bend that ankle though. Make the ankle do it. Because this is why. This, you can do that way faster than you can. This is the whole leg. It's like your whole body. But this is just one very fast motion, very fast jump. Yeah, there you go. That's pretty good.
Thank you.
Okay, come over here. See the ball in my foot there?
Yeah.
Wish you could watch it in slow motion, but it's just very like. Here, I'm gonna find one. I'm gonna show you what it looks like in slow-mo. Watch my back foot. See how the ankle goes?
Yeah.
Goes and then I jump? That's an ollie. Yeah, you're getting there. Yeah, there you go. You got it. Okay, pop and drag, pop and drag. 1 and then 2. Yeah, here, watch it. It's super fascinating, actually. So you do jump.
Yeah, but it doesn't touch the floor.
It doesn't touch the floor, and your front foot
It's not sliding.
is holding it down. So bring your front foot up high.
Oh,
and
so I also
get
bring
that, yeah, bring that front foot up there, boy. You gotta like, ooh, it's going like that. Good. Again, concentrate on your back foot. Hit that back foot to the ground. Good. Closer. You're like inches away.
All right.
Okay, you got it. Good. Good, you're getting really close. You've improved like 1,000 days. Bro, you're so close. Okay, I want to show you this one. What do you notice right there?
My back leg is still holding it down.
He's holding it down, back foot, holding it down. Dude, you're so close. That was good. Do it again. Good. You're getting there. You got it. Let's go. Dude, you got it. You did the ever so slightest pop. Watch. Blink. You see how it went and the wheel just like goes boop. Because you can even see, it's interesting, it goes where your foot is dragging. Your foot is lifting up that board, which is creating the board to lift.
Okay.
Go back and do a couple more of these, just like that, and then drag like all the way up. Keep it going high, all the way up to your nose. Okay, you got it. Concentrate on your back foot. Watch your back foot with your eyes. Whoa! Timing, 1 and then 2. Remember, 1 then 2. Oh, you got it, boy! Do the practice step where you hit the tail. Dude, you got it. Don't stress out. It's a lot of trial and error. Okay, give it a few more tries. Oh, you got it! Yeah. Concentrate on the back foot hitting the ground. You see how it's right there though, right?
Yeah.
It's just a matter of like getting the timing right. Okay, I'm gonna show you this. So technically, your feet are above, your board is above, your wheels are off. Look at that. Ollie, you got him. So technically, that's it right there. You did an ollie. Okay?
A little one.
A little one. So now you know you can do it. Now you just gotta
Practice.
You gotta practice. You gotta have the right pop and the right timing on the flick. Okay, you tired?
Yeah, I'm tired.
We're just getting started. We're 100 push-ups in. Okay, do 10 more tries. 10 good, solid college tries. Good. 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 Yeah, I should teach you how to popcorn while we're here.
Popcorn ollie?
Yeah.
What's that?
Just put your feet underneath it like that. Have you done this?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah? Oh, you have done it? Try that. He's like, dude, I'm tired. Give me a break. Yeah, good. Nailed it. First try. Okay, now 5 more tries ollie. 1. That was good. You're getting there. You're getting really, really close. 2. 3. That's good. That's good. 4. Good. Okay, 1 more good one. You want to call it?
I could keep going.
What do you think?
I just need practice.
Yeah. You practice this every day, you're going to get it really soon.
All right.
Okay, 3 more tries and we'll call it.
All right.
Dude, it's good.
Whew.
It's improved a lot, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Thank you.
You did great.
Thank
From
you.
where you started to where you are now, you're like miles and miles and miles better. Now just do that. Spend 10 minutes a day every day and work on that.
Okay.
And you're gonna get it in no time.
Thank you.
So next time I see you, you gotta have a fat ollie.
All right. Next time.
Okay, you killed it.
Thank you.
All right, we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard.